Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already set prerequisites: a business Instagram, linked Facebook page, and a GA4 property. Now start by grabbing your GA4 measurement ID. Once you have GXXXX, open the Instagram account settings and verify the linked Facebook page. This enables meta tools. Next, decide where to place tracked links, bio, link sticker, or ads, and prepare UTM parameters. You do this because GA4 needs unique identifiers on URLs to attribute Instagram traffic correctly. Make sure to save the measurement ID securely before continuing. Once done with UTMs, construct clear, consistent tags. Source equals Instagram, medium equals bio or story, campaign equals name. You should explain why. UTMs let GA4 separate Instagram traffic from other sources. After building the URL, test it in a browser to confirm the redirect and param persistence. Then shorten for aesthetics if desired, but ensure the shortener preserves UTMs. Finally, replace the Instagram bio link or add the link sticker to stories and ads. This pushes tagged traffic into GA4 and maintains reliable session attribution. Now finalize by verifying in GA4 real-time. Click your Instagram tagged link and watch for immediate sessions, then check traffic acquisition for source/medium. If you don't see Instagram traffic, make sure redirects or shorteners aren't removing UTM parameters, and confirm you use source equals Instagram exactly. Also check that Instagram's prefetch or ad wrappers aren't altering URLs. If issues persist, test the unshortened UTM URL directly and inspect redirects with developer tools. This usually reveals the broken link or parameter strip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.